we are seeing sharp reaction on stock down by 2.5% now. But stock has shown decent run up of late, and there were a lot of positions which got created. A sharp move from 580 to 620. So coming back to 580 would be just a mean reversion. Awan, what are you gathering on Zee, and how are market participants reading that result?
Yeah, like you said, we've seen quite a bit of a substantial run-up in the stock price of Zee Entertainment prior to its numbers. But if we were just to walk you through the earnings this time, the profit performance has come in below the street expectations at about 321 crore rupees. You have the top line growth, which has come in very healthy at about 1886 crores, above our estimates of about 1748 crore rupees. And operationally, it's been a fairly steady quarter. We were working with estimates of about 562 crore rupees and 594 crore rupee EBITDA is what they have delivered. Margins have come in pretty much in line with street expectations, and I think the number actually that has been fairly heartening is the fact that the ad revenue growth has really surpassed all the street expectations to come in higher by 25.8% at 120.2 crore rupees. So that has definitely been a big fillip. Remember the fact that the GST worries are now behind us, the fact that there was the integration of the RBNL channels as well as the overall festive season, all of that has helped bulk up the overall ad revenue, and it's even beat our estimates which we were working with of about 18%. Adjusted for sports, the domestic revenue advertising growth is up about 30% at 113 crore rupees, and this is on a comparable basis excluding the sports, RBNL and IWPL. The advertising revenue domestic has also been very healthy at 25.7%. International ad revenue has come in at about 65 crore rupees. Subscription revenue has come in a little bit muted but pretty much on expected lines at about 501 crore rupees. That's largely on account of the delays in the deal closure with distributors as well. Remember, they had released two Hindi movies, one Marathi movie during the quarter as well, and according to the press release, that also has performed very well, which is why their overall operating expenses as well perhaps would have been high. The management is talking about how it's been a rebound, and all of the initiatives taken by the government and the short-term impact on growth will overall strengthen the sector as a whole, and that the impact of a lot of factors like the slow growth in the last few quarters and certain events like GST, which required them to recalibrate ad spends, that is now behind them. So the commentary is that going forward, all of these now issues are behind the company. GST rate is now going to overall aid growth, and the testimony of the fact that they've delivered a domestic ad revenue growth of 26% is a testimony that this is one of the most effective mediums for brand building. But given the fact that we had seen quite a bit of a run-up in the stock prior, it's not a bad set of numbers at all for Zee Entertainment.